Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your funds with E-Trade, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your funds with E-Trade, start by logging into your E-Trade account. Once logged in, navigate to the account tab located in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Security. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. This step adds an extra layer of security by requiring a secondary verification method. Next, review your security questions and answers. Make sure they are unique and not easily guessable. Now, find the Alerts section within your account settings. Set up alerts for unauthorized transactions or significant account changes. You can customize these alerts to suit your preferences. Next, consider enabling account access alerts. This feature will notify you if there's a new login to your account. Now, head to the Transfer section of the dashboard. Here, you can set limits on withdrawals and transfers for added security. Consider linking your E-Trade account to a trusted external account only. This minimizes exposure to potential fraud. Review your transaction history regularly for any suspicious activity. If you notice anything unusual, report it immediately. Remember to keep your account information and passwords secure. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing your trading account. Finally, consider reaching out to E-Trade support for any security-related inquiries. Following these steps will significantly enhance the protection of your funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.